In this video, we will walk through how to submit end of fiscal year non-performance-based awards. During this training, we will explain how to submit end of fiscal year non-performance-based awards via the portal, explain how to save NPB award spreadsheet files, and demonstrate submitting EOFY NPB awards in the ES portal. As Enterprise Services anticipates high volume of awards requests being made at the end of the fiscal year and performance year, we have established a unique submission process for EOFY awards. For EOFY awards, ES works with each bureau to identify awards point of contacts, or POCs, and provides pre-populated mass awards templates. The process in this video is for submitting 10 or more awards. To submit fewer than 10 awards, managers will submit individual PARs via HR Connect. More information for that can be reviewed in the Awards Knowledge article. The timeline for EOFY NPB awards is typically June to September. ES will share detailed dates as these periods approach. The awards POC will receive the EOFY NPB awards spreadsheet via Kiteworks from Enterprise Services Program at dsc.gov. The spreadsheet will be pre-populated with data for employees in your bureau and line office and will include the required fields for awards processing. The POC will then coordinate with the managers in their bureau or line office to collect and populate the spreadsheet with the requested award information. Please review and validate that the proper accounting codes and unique justifications are provided for each award requested. Awards entered individually via HR Connect must not be included on the mass award spreadsheet to avoid duplicate award processing. Please obtain Management and Budget Office approval to grant the awards via the Budget Office signature field. Failure to obtain Budget Office approval may result in delayed processing. Managers must complete CD 326 for each employee prior to completing the EOFY NPB spreadsheet. Although this form is not submitted with the request, managers are responsible for keeping a copy of the CD 326 with the justification and budget approval for audit purposes. Once the spreadsheet is complete and has budget approval, you will submit the spreadsheet to Enterprise Services via the portal. If you are a manager, portal proxy, or HR professional, navigate to the Award Service Request page in the portal and select Award Type, Mass Award. Note that you will be submitting the spreadsheet you received from Enterprise Services via Kiteworks, not the Mass Awards template on the service request. If you do not have access to the Award Service Request, you will submit the spreadsheet via Ask HR a Question. Complete all fields in the service request. In the comment box, enter EOFY NPB Awards spreadsheet. Use the Add Attachment link to upload the completed EOFY NPB Awards spreadsheet. Now that we have gone over the process of how to submit EOFY NPB Awards, let's review guidance on saving the EOFY NPB Awards spreadsheet. After you complete the spreadsheet, save it as a .xlsx file prior to sending it to the Budget Office. This will allow the Budget Office to digitally sign it. After the Budget Office returns the signed spreadsheet to you, you can submit it to Enterprise Services. Pause this page to review the step-by-step guidance, which we will also demonstrate shortly. Now we'll walk through submitting an NPB award via the portal, including accessing and filling out the spreadsheet, obtaining the Budget Office's signature, attaching the file to the service request page, and submitting the award service request via the portal. The first thing you will do is retrieve the pre-populated spreadsheet sent to you by Enterprise Services in Kiteworks. After logging into Kiteworks, open the NPB Awards email. Then, scroll down to download and open the spreadsheet. We have now opened the pre-populated spreadsheet. We are currently on the Instructions tab, which displays instructions for completing the spreadsheet, as well as the line for Budget Office approval. At the bottom, you can also see the Awards tab. On the Awards tab, complete all columns for each employee receiving an award. Include duplicate rows for all employees receiving multiple awards. Once you have completed your EOFY NPB Awards spreadsheet, you will need to save your awards file in the .xlsx file format before sending it to your Budget Office for approval. To save the spreadsheet in this format, select the File tab at the top of the spreadsheet. Next, select Save As on the left-hand menu and choose the location you would like to save your document. In the drop-down field under the document name, select Excel Workbook.xlsx. Select Save and send this version of your spreadsheet to the Budget Office for their approval. We will now transition to the Enterprise Services portal. Now that we have demonstrated downloading, completing, and saving the pre-populated spreadsheet, we can log into the portal to continue with our service request. Welcome to the Enterprise Services portal. After obtaining the completed and signed awards spreadsheet, navigate to the Awards Service Request page. If you are a manager, portal proxy with PPNB privileges, or HR professional, you can do this by either selecting Request Services on the service bar, searching awards in the universal search bar, or by using the Human Resources menu on the navigation bar. If you are not a manager, portal proxy, or HR professional, you may not have access to the awards service. In this case, submit the EOFY NPB Awards spreadsheet via Ask a Question on the service bar. Today, as a manager, I will use the HR menu to access the awards service request page. We are now on the Award Service Request page. Begin by selecting Mass Award as the award type. Do not use the Mass Awards form to submit the EOFY NPB Awards. You will use the pre-populated spreadsheet we completed earlier. Next, select the effective date using the calendar functionality. In the comments field, enter EOFY NPB Awards submission. Attach the completed EOFY NPB Awards spreadsheet. Check the box confirming you have completed and attached all required documents. Select Submit to finalize the request. Once ES has received your request, you will be notified that a ticket has been opened for you. The ticket will remain open throughout the awards process until each employee's award action has been successfully processed. Enterprise Services will also use this ticket to communicate with you, including status updates and requested actions, for the duration of the process. To learn more about how to track your tickets and what type of notifications to expect, please refer to the Service Request 101 Knowledge article. Thank you for joining us today. Check out more resources on the Enterprise Services portal.